My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Seat Tarraco. This vehicle has done just under 33,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving onto our screen, we can access navigation, media, radio, Bluetooth, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 4 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Individual, Eco and Normal. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.